Hey guys, it's Jacob with KC. In today's video, we're going to go over how to install headlights on your Wrangler TJ using our 7-inch headlight kit. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is gather your materials for this install. You really only need three things. First off is of course your 7-inch headlight assembly. Second is a T15 Torx bit. And lastly, a microfiber towel to keep your workspace clean. So the next step is to remove the outer bezels of the lights using the T15 bit here, here, and here. Once you remove the bezel, make sure to keep it separate as the bezel from the driver to passenger is different. In fact, I recommend doing one headlight at a time to minimize the risk of misplacing the bezels. Now that you've removed the bezels and placed them aside, now we need to remove the headlight retainer ring. There are 4 Torx screws holding it in place. Carefully remove each screw and also use a second hand to ensure you don't lose the screws to the abyss, which is easy to do. Once you've removed the screws, gently tug on the headlight to break it loose. Now this step is a little easier if you pop the hood. You can stick your hand behind the headlight assembly, holding the connection in one hand and pulling the light out the front with the other. Once the headlight is separated, you'll want to clean off the connection a bit as these get pretty dirty. Apply some grease that is provided to the connection on the new headlight and insert it right in. Make sure to press it in firmly to ensure a good connection. Once you have the headlight connected, the trick to reassembling is to make sure you have your holes lined up and ready to go. So I would almost do a dry fit first with the retainer clip, or grab a friend to hold the headlight in place while you rotate the retainer clip around to get the correct fitment. Once you have everything secure, there are also some tensioning screws that allow you to repoint the light to ensure the cutoff is correct. For us, we didn't have to do this step, but if you want to and you need to, go find a wall, check your cutoff beam with your other side, and just match them. Repeat this once you're working on the other side. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the outer bezel back in. Same trick as before, rotate it so the holes are aligned before you go ahead and jam it in. Then go ahead and use the screws and reinsert them. Now lastly, go ahead and clean off the lights with a microfiber towel and move on to the other side. And that's it. So this install took me around 30 minutes, including filming, setting up lights. This is really a quick install that drastically improves your headlight performance. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. If you found this video helpful, hitting that like button is a great way to let us know. If you want to see more guides and general off-road shenanigans, make sure to click that subscribe button. And as always, remember to adventure further.